Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we are going to be creating a spread in my journal, and it is for the week of December 5th through the 11th. I have this super cutesy kit from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, and I thought I will use it in my journal. Like, look how pretty this is. So you have some houses, some Christmas trees, some really lovely items in here. And of course, I'm pulling the Mojo Jojo sticker books. So I pulled the winter one and both of the winter ones, the first one and the second one. And I'm trying to match the colors as well as possible. So I'm going to be using this darker like green and then this tan almost like cream green. So that's what I'm going to be using. Again, I apologize for my hand. I know it looks disgusting. I've burned myself the day after Thanksgiving, and I've been trying to heal myself ever since. So hopefully I don't scar, but sorry that you have to see that. But thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so thankful you're here, and let's get started. So the first journaling box is down. As you can see, my pride and joy are these journaling boxes that I truly adore. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the green washi. I think that this spread will need a little bit more of the green color to make sure it looks the way I like it. So let's go ahead and do that and keep going. So I'm going to put this stocking right on top of the box like so. And I don't know if I'm going to be using these little houses or not. I do like them a lot. I don't know if I want them for this spread or another spread, but we shall see. So I'm going to put another journaling box. This one will be green. And there we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put a chair on top of it, like super cozy. I'm gonna create this little corner up here. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this beautiful fireplace right here. I'm gonna remove this house because, like I said, it's kind of not where I'm going with this. So I'm gonna add some gifts up here. And then, let's see. So I'm gonna layer them. I think that looks pretty good. And I wanna add this one, but I don't know where should I add it to. So for right now, I'm holding off. So I'm gonna add more boxes so I can journal in them. And plus I wanna bring that color in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that stocking on top. I think that looks adorable. Then I'm gonna add another dark green box on the left side. And one right here. So I'll just play with boxes until it's where I want it to be. So I'm gonna layer these with a gift. I think that's gonna look cute. I'm gonna put another gift on top up here. And here, and I think that looks pretty good. I do want to use this beautiful basket. So let's put some Christmas trees. Okay, look how adorable this lamp is. Like, her doodles are amazing. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of this washi to bring in the green and really make it pop off the page. So this green actually matches this beautiful stocking quite well. So I'll just keep going with that and add that shade of blue. Not blue, green. Can you guys see what my favorite color is? Like, all I can think about is blue all the time. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and add this throughout the spread to make sure it looks pretty well. So all this green is evenly distributed. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the top on the right side, so like Thursday through Sunday. I'll run that really quick as well. I need more boxes first though, so I want to see where I want to place my boxes, and then I'll find spots. So I want one more journaling box on Thursday for sure. I want one on Sunday. I want one more, or even two more on Wednesday. So let's add those. Yeah, that will work, I think. Yeah, that's good. And then Friday. Yes, that is good. Look how cute this is looking. Oh my gosh. I love this. Okay, so it's being layered pretty well. And now I'm gonna grab the washi and run it up top. Now that I know that I'm not putting any boxes on the top and they're kind of dispersed lower down. So let's go ahead and add this on this side as well. Yeah, I think that works quite well. And even though this is my journal, I'm going to be journaling here, I do want to fill this up just a little bit more. So I'm gonna play with a couple little things. So I wanted to see if I can put this little Christmas tree up here, this lantern up here, like all of these little tiny things that I can put in, I think are going to make a big difference. Okay, what else can I add? I think I want some quotes, you guys. I don't know. Okay, so let's add some alpha letters. Maybe I can spell out winter and put it in a sidebar in like this very silvery outline. So let's do that. I think that might be really good for the spread. So I put it on my ruler and now I'm gonna place it on here. That was from a winter sticker book from the Happy Planner, and I'm using the same book, and in the back there's some quotes, I think. Yes, this. But there's ones in the black, and that's what I'm gonna be putting up throughout this beautiful spread. So I'm gonna put cozy and comfy. Maybe here. Yes, I think that works with the little stocking. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add few more smaller, much smaller quotes. So first up, we're gonna go ahead and add, let's see, what can I add? Peace and joy, I think, and I can put it right by the fireplace, so it's kind of perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple more things. Let's see. Nothing here really matches, so I'll keep going with the quotes. No, I didn't think this was going to be as difficult as it is, so let's keep going. But I love these doodles from Joe's Pretty Paper Shop, and I want to do them justice, so I don't want to bring in something that won't really match. I was thinking of these, but that doesn't really work, so let me add a couple more quotes. So I'm gonna add wrap gifts because that's what I'm going to be doing on Saturday, and putting them under the Christmas tree. Send Christmas cards. Enjoy drinking hot cocoa. And then jolly. And I think that's it. And then the rest of the space will be for me to write in. And I hope you guys enjoyed this spread. Let me know down below, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thank you.